October these nuts. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. I'm WendyO. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin and altcoins are pumping hard. Everything is pumping. Everything is up. Is it October? What is it? We don't know. We're just here. I'm live on TikTok. I'm live on YouTube. Shout out to Erico. Shout out to Dynastic Wolf, to Florida Man something, Thrift All Stars. Don't you know? Pump it up. We love to pump it up. You know, pump it up. Just kidding, guys. Are we back? 62% say yes. 28% say no. 12% said food. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. We've got 18 of you, 17 likes. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know the drill. Shout out to Randall, to Jackson. We're going to be going off today. So before we do the charts, before Wendy does her thing on the charts, I had a fantastic day. For those of you that care, I hung out with Crypto Meg and Crypto Mason, and we did a day at Malibu. It was super nice. I took them to my favorite restaurant. I brought Lo, and it was super fun. We had the best time ever. And this restaurant that we go to in Malibu, it's like a special occasion restaurant. It's actually way better than like Nobu. Everybody loves Nobu. I don't care about Nobu. Like, old money goes to this restaurant. It's nice to go like once or twice a year. You save up for it, you go. But they have this little walkway down to the beach. So we went. The kids had the best time ever. Lo fell. She biffed it. They were playing. It was like, just made me so happy. So it was great. Great time. Interesting weekend. Also too, you guys, I do have to talk about this. I have to kill the vibe just for a minute. But I promise I will put the vibe back up. If you were in Southern California, my childhood friend passed away unexpectedly, and I need to find a home for these two doggies. These two doggies are absolutely amazing. They're super cute. They're super sweet. They are bonded. They do have to stay together. So if you're somebody who's looking to adopt dogs that are potty trained, that are just super sweet and nice, please drop me a line. My DMs are open on Twitter for the next week until hopefully I can help find a home. If not, it's fine. Because we're looking all over the place. But my friend, he's an occupational therapist assistant. He's been in the industry for a long time. I believe he was like early 30s, like 32. He was in a car accident, and I think he shattered his pelvis, and there were some complications from that. So he just woke up and passed right. I got the news right when I came home on Friday. So, RIP, we love you. And it was, he was really close with my mom, really close with my sister, my best friend, super close to him. So if you guys know anybody who's looking to adopt two doggies, I've got two. They do have to stay together, so please reach out. DMs are going to be open. But anyways, sending everybody love and light. I did have a good weekend. Things ended up turning around, which is good. I'm very blessed to be here, to be with you guys. But let's go ahead and kind of degen a little bit. Like, what in the actual heck is happening with the market? We'll talk about it. One of my favorite quotes is from a movie my father loved, The Crow, is "doesn't rain all the time." So taking a look at crypto bubbles, we're going to turn the mood around, I know it's a little bit crazy how I'm able to do that, but I had 3 deaths in 35 days. So it's been a minute. All right. So everything's pumping. ARB is up 7%. Solana is up 12.4%. Pulse Chain 14.4%. Everything is pumping. It's super exciting. I love when this happens because people are making money. So if you guys are trading right now, I'm going to get you rid of you. I don't feel like dealing with you. We're not going to deal with people who are slow. If you're not fast, you're on the wrong channel, because we're fast here. But anyways, everything is up. So the only thing I'm going to ask you guys, if you're currently trading on Femex, my partner's over at Femex, and you've used my ref link or whatever, wherever you're trading, make sure you have a trading or investing plan, and make sure you start to consider taking profits. Okay. Because this might not go up forever. And we'll talk about what I'm seeing on the charts. Also, too, we're about 200 days away. Thank you for the hearts. We're about 200 days away from Bitcoin halving. So that still is important right now. Bitcoin halving 4-year cycle still matters. It could not matter one day, but right now we're still kind of going by that. Okay. Why do we need coins tokens? Blockchain tech works fine without it. I don't know. Why is it pumping right now? Go look at the chart. We're going to cover it. I don't know. You got to ask some of these companies. Some of them do need tokens. But anyways, this is what the current market looks like. And this is what Bitcoin looks like. So I've got 2 levels here. Okay. This is the weekly chart. Let's start off with the daily. Right now, the daily, this area is important. about $28,700. Why? Because you see these bottom areas here, they swing with close. This is the local bottom back in early of August, okay? However, I want to see a flip above $31,000. $31,000. Okay, shout out to Thomas. Let me see who's on YouTube, because I love my YouTubers. Y'all know we have 221 of you beautiful people here. 221 of these beautiful people here. Okay, absolutely amazing. Y'all need to smash a like. Only 85 likes. Only 85 likes. Smash like. Shout out to Teju. Shout out to Pew Pew Puma. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you for the thank you for the condolences. It's been a rough month, but anyways, we're here. We got to keep it going. We got to pump up the jam. How can we see her screen? You go to YouTube and you subscribe there. But make sure you guys smash likes. We should have at least 200 likes. At least 200 likes. Don't be grifting. Don't be grifting. But let's talk about BitBoy is driving by your house again. I'm so sorry to hear that. That man is wild. I cannot control him. I had a nice phone call with him yesterday. We'll be talking about that soon though, because there might need to talk about some stuff, but shout out to Ben. But anyways, let's go ahead and get back into it. So this is what we're seeing. Okay, we've got this area of resistance here at 28.6, and then ultimately $32,000. $32,000 is a very important area. However, starting to take a look at the weekly again, market cipher ref link down below. Market cipher just printed a green dot on the weekly. That is generally bullish. A lot of times in crypto, like we have memes for different things, and we call October Uptober, and September was like supposed to be a bearish month, a red month. Okay, so what should we do? Is this the start of the bull run? What should we do? How should we prepare? Well, first off, I don't think it's the start of the bull run. I don't think it's the start of the bull run yet. I think we're on our way there. I think we're working our way there. So I'm being very cautious, and I could be 100% wrong, and that's okay to be wrong. It's okay to talk about different scenarios and to have a bullish plan and a bearish plan. If you're not having a bullish and bearish plan, you're going to end up getting wrecked. It's okay to have that. So one of the things I'm doing is I'm actively watching the charts. I'm watching to see what happens. I'm also paying attention to Bitcoin halving. I'm going to go ahead and pull that up for you. And again, the halving is a moving date. It depends on the productivity of the miners, the hash, like all of those things. So if we take a look at Nice Hash, which is a free website, you guys should take a look at it. You can see all of the halving dates. Okay. So for Bitcoin, about 213 days. So we're on our way. So I don't think this is like the ultimate epic pump where we're just going to go up to 200,000 or 160 or whatever we end up doing. I think we're on our way there. So is this a fake out? What's going on? Well, let's go ahead and analyze the chart. I will say, for those of you that are actively trading, you guys know the drill. You enter into position, you have your take profit, all of that type of stuff, and you want to create moon bags. That's what we do. We love to create moon bags. Why do we want to create moon bags? We want to create moon bags is because we want to completely remove our risk. So we talk about taking profits a lot here. If you're brand new to the channel, you're going to hear me repeat myself a lot about profits, okay? Why? Because it's important. Okay, risk management is important. If you're somebody who's cool with just dollar cost averaging $100 a week or whatever it is on Bitcoin, cool, that's your business. Okay, the exchange that I'm currently recommending that I am actively using is going to be called Femex. If you guys want to use it, great. If not, that's fine. When you use Femex, it supports me and it supports the channel. You do need to read the terms of services, and you do need to understand not your keys, not your coins. Shout out to Soul. Shout out to John. All right, don't be grifting smash those likes. Christopher knows he's been here before. He act like he's been here. Short squeeze. It could very well be a short squeeze. Basically, what the short squeeze is when number goes up and then goes back down. Something along those lines. But let's go ahead. We're going to look at a fresh, naked, sultry chart. We love those fresh, naked charts. Why? Because they're fun. And we're going to see what's happening. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to pull around the Bitcoin chart over here. All right. Then this is the range I was talking about. I told you all we need to get above that $28,000 area. This was on a Coinbase chart that we talked about that we've been using, but we talked about a range between approximately 28.2 and this lower area here about 24.6. Okay. We're going to go ahead and remove all this stuff, remove the drawings, and mark the fact that we're above the ribbons on market cipher. This is bullish. This is bullish to me. Why is it bullish to me? Because when you using EMAs or when you're using indicators with ribbons, when you can get above that when you flip that resistance into support, that is a bullish area. So we need to kind of see where we close here. We've got about 8 minutes till closing time. So what that means is we are going to be a little bit more bullish over here. Okay, a little bit more bullish. So let's go ahead. We're going to remove all the drawing tools. I'm also going to remove the ribbons. Market Cipher is a partner. You guys are more than welcome to use the ref link down below. If you don't want to use it, that's fine. That's your business. But it's down below. When you use it, it supports me in the channel, all that stuff. And Crypto Face's goat, I think he made like $79,000 today. Is this a random pump? We're getting there. We're getting there. Just give me some time. Give me some time. There's lots of random pumps that happen. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to continue to draw some lines. Okay. Oopsie, that's a J. That is a J. All right. So we got that. This is another important area in my personal opinion, which again, this is $28,000. So this is kind of what we're looking at. Bitcoin has found a local bottom over here at about $16,000. That was, I think the absolute bottom currently from what we've seen is about 15.3. This could potentially change. Could we go back down? 100% we can go back down, but right now we're still bullish. So let's go ahead and take a look. Take a look. Okay, calm down. So we've been respecting the trend line over here and on our way up. 28.2 is a very important area of resistance, about 28.6, but ultimately $32,000 is where we need to flip above. Why? Well, if we take a look over here, we got this swing wick high at about $32,000, but we failed to continue to climb higher. And that swing wick high also correlates with this swing high here that happened Monday, May 30th of 2022. And that's when we dropped, we retested it once, we tried to retest it again, and then we just dropped all the way down. Got really, really, really gnarly. But considering, let's go ahead and take a look at the monthly chart. Let's do that because we haven't looked at that in a while. Okay. The monthly actually looks pretty bullish, and Cipher just printed a green dot. Could that change it? 100% could change. However, right now it's looking good. Taking a look at MACD bull cross back over here on July 21st, Saturday, and we're on our way up. This is actually looking bullish, the monthly thus far. Really, really looking bullish. This is our October candle, and it looks good. The fact that the candle before that, September, we had that swing wick low to $25,000. We popped up and we're able to close here at about $27,000. That's bullish because we closed higher than when we opened. Again, printed a green candle. Simple stuff here. Not too hard to understand. But we're on this trend line and we're doing exactly what we need to do. And this is looking pretty nice to me. However, could we have a gnarly drop and like retest like 25,000 or whatever it is? Yes, 100%. However, right now we're looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and go back. That's the monthly. Month is looking decent. Let's go to the weekly and see what's happening. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove my drawing tools, which is the Binance chart. I think I clicked the wrong chart or whatever. So we opened here. This is going to be Monday, September. We close in 5 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this chart over here. And again, we're looking very bullish on the weekly thus far. Could it change? Yes. These indicators are lagging, and these are also weekly candles. Each candle is comprised of 7 days, 7 days, 7 days. Okay. So understand these take some time. We have 369 giggity up in here. What I am going to ask you guys to do, I am going to ask you to smash a like. We should have 369 of you beautiful people. Smash that like and give it to me hard and fast. That's what I'm going to need from y'all today. That's what I'm going to need from y'all today. Before I get that a little bit later on this evening. What's my favorite food? What's my favorite food? I don't know. I'm about to make some buffalo chicken. All right. But let's go back and go over here. So we opened at about $26,000 and we're going to close at about $28,000. We're going to close super close to that. This is a bullish candle to me. Is it bullish engulfing? Yes, because it's engulfing the previous week. I would love to see us close here at about 28.6, 28.7. I don't share my age on the internet. I don't share my age just for privacy purposes. I would love to see us close above $28,000, like closer to 29, but we're not quite there yet. And that's okay. It can happen. It can happen. Totally fine. Totally good. So we're going to get that close over here. We're going to get the close above 27.4, which is kind of essentially what we need. So that's looking good. Now taking a look at the daily chart. Daily chart is looking nice too. We were able to break above to really, we're like fighting to stay above this 27.8 area, and we're doing it. So again, I like the way this looks. It looks clean. It looks healthy. Can we get pullbacks? Can we go deeper? Yes. If we do get a pullback, I would probably look to about 27.2 to start. If we do end up getting a pullback, like a kind of a gnarly pullback, but just as long as we stay above 27.2, it's going to be good. I'm still pushing this. Let's go ahead and get you out of here. Yeah, we'll get you out of here. All right. Bitcoin, I mean, we talking about Bitcoin here, you silly gooses. People get mad about everything on the internet, and that's okay. They're weirdos. All right. So again, this is good. This is nice, but I would still love to see a close above 20. I said 28.2 earlier, but 28.6 would be better. Now on the 12-hour chart, 12-hour chart is also looking nice. We've created the local bottom here, 26,000. We broke above 27.2, and we're currently trying to get to about $29,000. So you bullish on Sol? I have a moon bag of Sol, moon bag of Solana. So that basically means that whatever I hold, I have free and clear. Where's the money coming from? So when we're talking about Bitcoin, ridiculous people, the market decides. Just kind of like the stock market, the market decides, except the government pumps and dumps it, and so do your favorite public servants. But anyways, let's get back into it. So we really would like to see a move above $29,000. However, it's not necessarily there yet, but we're getting there. So this is a very bullish candle. 6-hour chart is looking really bullish. Beautiful green, you know what? 4 hours looking good. So what do I think is going to happen this week? Well, let's break it down and talk about it. Let's go back to the daily. I think this week, I think that just as long as we stay above 27.2, we are fine. Just as long as we stay above 27.2, we are going to be fine. We'll continue rock upward. However, we need to kind of do a little bit more work back. 32. We want to get above these swing wick highs. We really want to get above them. So until we really get above $32,000, 32.6, I'm just kind of like, I'm waiting to see what happens. However, I'll still take trades. I'll still scalp. I'll still do this. Still do all of these different things. I'm just not going to be like, oh my God, super, super bullish. One of the things that I'm also, one of the things that I'm doing is I've got long-term holdings of Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm not planning on selling that anytime soon. Not planning on selling it anytime soon. I will start selling my Bitcoin around $100,000 and I will start selling my Ethereum around $10,000. If it doesn't end up hitting that area, oh well, my mistake. I'm not telling you guys to do that. It is what it is, but give it to you raw, Wendy. Stallion's always up in my business. I'm trying to get it raw later. Come on. When I make that delicious chicken, what do we have in pork? Ooh, barbecue pork, yummo. Made 80% today. Shout out to Lakeshore Crypto. I appreciate you. Estimate being bullish post halving, not quite yet. Halving is about 217 or 207 days away. We showed it. We showed it earlier. Wendy, can you put on the EMAs? Yeah, we can do those. We could put on some EMAs. We like to do that over here. EMAs can also help us too. EMAs are great tools. I'm going to be starting a trading group with some of my buddies. They're going to be helping me do a lot of stuff, but we're going to be doing that, and I don't think we're charging anything. We're going to have some really great guys that are going to be doing all kinds of stuff for us. I'll be up in there too, but these are our EMAs. These are going to be the EMAs. We've got the 9, 21, 30, 50, 100, and 200 over here. What is the 200? 200 is, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Let me go here just so I can see plot. So we got the 20, the white is going to be the 50, purple is going to be the 100, and the 200 is going to be the pink. So this looks good. I'm with it. I rock with it. We're above the EMA 200 on the, oh wait, hold on a second. Yeah. All right. Yeah, we're above the EMA 200 on the daily. That's actually looking good. Let's see where we look like on the weekly. So the weekly, yeah, we're looking real good here. If we can, and you, remember how I told you guys that this just as long as we stay above 27.2, it's going to be good. 27.2. You got to go to YouTube, sweetheart. We got to go to YouTube. I'm going to start live streaming on all the platforms soon. It's just taking me a while. But remember when I told you all right here that we need to get above 27.2? If you see where our EMAs are all, it's like a little EMA bundle. This is acting as a very strong area of support. So just as long as we stay above that area, we should be good. I do want to take a minute to look at Ethereum though, as we don't talk about Ethereum enough. We don't. So taking a look at Ethereum, let's go ahead and remove all of our drawing tools. Ethereum, we're like in this bundle here. We still haven't, Ethereum is not looking as bullish to me. And the reason why is we haven't broken above all of the EMAs on the weekly. We're above the EMA 200, but I want to see us get above 1805. Now, when we take a look at the daily, we're not quite there yet. So Ethereum is bullish, but I'm not as bullish as on Ethereum as I am on Bitcoin. Ethereum might actually be potentially a good time to long, just because I feel like once we break above this 1736 and can sustain it, we'll probably move up to about 1958 and then possibly about $2,000. Thank you so much. Make money work with you. I appreciate it. I want to take a look at XRP. So XRP, what's going on with this? What's going on with our baby girl? XRP, we're close to getting bullish, but not quite there yet. We still have a little bit of room to do. You still could potentially rock with this if you want. If you see right here, though, we are hitting some resistance at the EMA. Which one is that one? Sorry, guys. I haven't used them in a while. Whoopsie. The EMA 50. So the EMA 50 over here. Oopsie. Sorry. Did I just get rid of it? I just got rid of it. Oh, you effer. Oh, there we go. Put her back. But so I would, just as long as we can stay above here at 51 cents, we're good. But we're hitting a little bit of resistance at about 52 cents, which is going to be the EMA 50. However, I'd probably wait for a bit of a pullback here at about 51.519 and then long to about 53 cents. Take a little bit there. I do want to look at Cardano as well. Cardano's pumping. Cardano, this is actually a pretty clean setup. If we just draw a cute little trend line over here like this, you can see that we broke out above the 25 cents. We're up, we're above 26 cents. And we're probably going to rock here to about 27. And then I'd probably target about 29 and then 30 cents with Cardano. So everything is looking good to me. Everything is pumping. Just because everything is pumping and looking good doesn't mean we are going to have a pullback. So you guys do have to take that into consideration. Easy short, not going to lie. All right, go ahead and short it, baby. Go ahead and short that. Short it. 444 concurrent viewers, 243 likes. Y'all need to smash a like. Y'all need to smash a like. That's what y'all need to do. Why? Because I asked you to, and I asked you nicely. I am of legal age. You guys are ridiculous. Anyways, you guys, I'm going to get going because I got to make dinner. I just wanted to pop up here really quick. Really quick to just go ahead and do this for you. If you know anyone right now who's in the market to adopt 2 doggies, these doggies are amazing doggies and you'll be doing a good service because Trevor was a good guy. He was a really good guy. In addition to him being a good guy, he was an occupational therapist. So he's out there actually doing some good work for people. Wendy, what's trending? Bull run. Wendy, what's trending next bull run? I told you guys to pay attention to gaming. I told you. Thank you for the glasses. I told you guys last bull run or during the bear market to pay attention to gaming. Why? Because I think it will do immensely well. It's just there's gonna be a lot of trash out there, but pay attention to a lot of gaming stuff, I think. Anyways, I gotta go make dinner. WendyO is out. I need to drink my water, eat your vegetables. Sending y'all love and light. I'll catch you later tomorrow, 10 a.m. PST. I'll be home. Bye-bye, babies. Good luck. Take profit. Bye-bye. Bye, babies. Love you. Have a good day.